Hi guys, so this is the fabric I'm going to be using for my next project. So for the bag I'm going to be making, the bag is going to have a fringe. So I'm going to be using two colors of ashoke to make this gorgeous beautiful bag. So here I'm just going to teach you how to bring out your fringe from your ashoke. Basically, that is the main reason this for this video. So you can see the way I am pulling it, and very easy. It is very easy. This is the easiest method ever. So this gorgeous fabric tutorial video will be dropping on my YouTube channel, so make sure you go and subscribe, and also make sure you watch and click on the notification button, and also follow me on all my other platforms, Facebook here, and all my TikTok, Instagram, and so on. So thank you so much guys for all your support, for supporting me, and for your patience, for always being there for me. And also a big shout out to all my fans on my community, my YouTube community. Thanks so much for subscribing, and thank you so much, and may God bless you all.